I was recently gifted this 10-in-1 charging station. So if you're like me and you have iPhone, iPad, AirPods, PC, a bunch of different items that require either USB-A's or USB-C's, this has 6 USB-C's and 4 USB-A ports. So you can do 10 devices at once. And this is what you get right out of the box. So right out of the box, you do get the charging ports. Very small, actually. You can see where it plugs in the back. And you do get a cord where you can plug it into the outlet. But again, you'll see the 6 C's right there, and then the 4 A's. Very easy to get to. And then also in the box, you will see that you do have instructions, as well as not just 1, not just 2, not just 3, but 4 USB-C charging cords that come with it. So that's nice that you're able to have some extra cables that come with it as well. And you do get as well, how it operates is you do have a plug. So we have plugged it on into the outlet there. And then you just plug it in right there. Easy breezy. So right there. And then if you're like me, you have tons of USB-C's or A's or anything, so you can use their cables, or else if you have your own, like I do, you can take it and put the A's in. You can put your C's in. And you can definitely put up to 10 at the same time. So if you're somebody like me that has a lot of use for USB-C's, which is 6 of them, as well as 4 USB-A's, it's very convenient, very small to be able to use. You can put it on your desktop or you can put it someplace else. It is extremely practical and easy to use. I'd highly recommend this one.